รู้ชกมา
Or we're going to be dividing using the bus stop method. We're going to look at 66 divided by 3. That's like 66 sweets divided is the same as shared by 3. 3 people, 66 sweets. And this is how we write it with the bus stop method. 66 divided by 3. Okay, then we look at how many 3's go into the first 6. In other words, how many 3's can make 6? Well, 2 can. 3 and 3 make 6. So we write 2 at the top. And then we go on to the next number, which is also a 6. How many 3's can make 6? Well, 2 can. 3 and 3 is 6. 2. So this means that 66 divided or shared by 3 is 22. 3 people would get 22 sweets each. So if we look, 22, 22, 22, there's 3 lots of 22. Let's add them all up and check. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. There we go, 3 people, 22 each, comes to 66. Now let's have a look at something where using the same method, but this time we need to carry over. So if we had 78 divided by 3, it's not such an easy number. But let's carry on in the same way using our bus stop method. 78 divided by 3. Again, we see how many 3's can fit into 7, or how many 3's make up 7. Well, 3 and 3 make 6, and we can't get another 3 into 7. 3 and 3 is 6, so we can only get 2 into 7, and there's 1 left over. This number's 78, so it's a 10 left over. We put that there. How many 3's go into 18? Well, it's 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. That's 6 of them. So there we have 26. Okay, and we can check that if we had 26, 26 and 26. That's 3 lots of 26. 6, 12, 18, 2, 4, 6, 7. And we can see that 78 shared by 3 is 26 because 3 26's make 78. Okay, so the next one we're going to look at is slightly more tricky. We're going to look at 714 divided by 7. So 714 divided by 7. How many 7's in 7? Well, 1. How many 7's in 1? None. 7 cannot fit into 1. So there's none. We have to put the 0 there. Now, because that 1 hasn't been used, we change it to, with this one, to 14. How many 7's in 14? 2. Okay? Now, 714 divided by 7 is 102. We can check that. We could write, like I've been doing, 102 7 times. That's called repeated addition, when you go over and over again. 102, add 102, add 102. But strictly speaking, the opposite of division is time. So if we want to do a check, we can use time, times. So let's say our answer, 102 times or multiplied by the 7, which is what we started with, should give us the question 714. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 zeros are 0 and 1 is the 1. 7 1's are 7, and it gets us back to 714. So we've done a check of our calculation. Often in your exam you're asked to do a check, or you should do a check just to be sure that you've got the correct answer. So 714 divided by 7 gave us the answer of 102. I checked that because multiplication is the opposite of division. 102 multiplied by 7 gave us 714. We're back to where we started. Okay, thank you for listening.